Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
So as we got the front off and we've been investigating this truck, hard life, isn't it?
Yep, seems
very
to be.
dusty.
Yep.
If you can see here, the intercooler is grim.
Yep.
So as it's all off, it's not the most expensive part we've done, but very important for keeping the turbo cool. I thought we'd change it.
Yeah, absolutely. So we've got a brown spanking new one to go on in a nice box. Now you can see everything around us is here. We're also just doing the headlight. So if you're wondering what the mess is for, the video will probably be up. We're doing the headlight at the same time. We've got, oh, hang on. It's tied down to the box.
Oh.
So not only is that going to make it look way better than that rusty old one there, but also should just breathe a bit better, get a bit more airflow to the turbo. So can't do any harm in changing it, can it?
Where did we buy it? I can't remember.
We bought it from Autodoc.
Autodoc, and it is a
NRF.
Hopefully that will,
Something.
if you want to know where we got it. Autodoc.
Yep.
Can't remember what it was.
So we'll make sure the headlight video's gone out before this, and we will put a link to that in the description so you can go back and watch how we actually dismantled the front of the car.
Yes, that's quite important.
You will have to do that to get this off.
Because it was a pain in the butt.
Yeah, so let's get in.
We've never done it before,
Nope.
so let's crack on.
Okay, we've got one pipe here. We'll take that off. There we go.
There you go, got him?
Yep. Right, now with that upper pipe off, the lower pipe is actually metal, so it's not going to be a hose. Right, so here you can see that's the bottom, and this pipe comes down through past the rad here. You've got two size 12s which hold the pipe on. Right, and the second one holding this pipe on. So we've got three mounting areas. We've got one here, one there, and one here. Got it. Final one.
There we are. Oh yeah.
There we go. Oh, we've got a gasket as well.
Here's a dirty devil.
We'll be keeping, by the looks of it. Right, so there's the old one. See, it's fairly vile. Very rusty, dented. So the original bolts, which I will show here, we're going to replace with new ones, as this has a sort of flat spot in it, and the new Intercooler actually comes with some nice washers to put in, so we don't need this. We can just put in new bolts, which will be nice.
Already fitted, if that will focus.
So the install's exactly the same as taking it off. I have got the gasket here. Didn't come with a new one, bit of a shame, but it's all right. We can make do with this. So we'll get it in place.
It's a nice looking bit of kit though, isn't it?
It is. No, it looks really nice. So keep the gasket nearby. We'll go in from the bottom. You can see. Right then, so that sums it up. That was actually really easy.
That was my level, wasn't it?
Yeah, the bumper's the hardest bit actually. Doing the intercooler is no problem at all. So definitely needed doing.
Well, the airflow's not going to be very good through that. So
No.
I think that was a well worthwhile job.
Me too. So hopefully, and obviously putting, the bumper back on will be exactly the same as taking it off. So
you'll have to watch the headlight video.
You have to watch the headlight video. Sorry about that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. This is a nice quick one. See you in the next video.
One day I'll change all of my wicked ways, and happiness will start to make sense. Happiness will start to make sense. One day I'll trade the session for song.